All right, you're welcome to Heroic Online Academy. This is to introduce to you JQuery step-by-step tutorial. Learn easy ways to make a website super interactive. JQuery is a very popular JavaScript library. Okay, it's a lightweight, write less, do more JavaScript library. Okay, the purpose of JQuery is to make it much easier to use JavaScript in your website. Yeah, this is a very important course you should learn the moment you are done learning JavaScript. Okay, once you learn it, you are going to learn how to write less code and use it to do so much more in your website. Okay, if you are using only JavaScript, you are most likely going to write so much code. Okay, but if you are using jQuery, you're going to write less code and do so much more with the code. Okay, so it's so important. You're going to enjoy every bit of the course. Okay, so consider ordering for the course if you have gone through JavaScript. All right, what you will learn. You will learn how to build a beautiful and super dynamic interactive website using jQuery. Okay, you need basic knowledge of HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so you must have knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you've not ordered for HTML, CSS and JavaScript in our website, if you've not learned it at all, this is an opportunity for you to order for it. So you have to order for HTML, CSS and JavaScript along with jQuery, okay, so that you understand jQuery properly. Okay, so that said, you also need a personal computer and knowledge of how to use a keyboard and mouse, okay, for you to undertake this course. Okay, jQuery is, like I said before, is a lightweight, write less, do more JavaScript library. The purpose of jQuery is to make it much easier to use JavaScript in your website. jQuery takes a lot of common tasks that require many lines of JavaScript code to accomplish and wraps them into method that you can use to write single line of code. Okay, I think what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to open a website and show you where I use jQuery. Okay, so let me quickly open our new online institute website. Okay, now this is our online institute website. We're going to go to down. Let's move down. Now we use jQuery here for these frequently asked questions. So watch out. If I click on this, it will display. You see that? If I click here, it will close. Okay, if I click here, it will show. Okay, if I click here, it will close. You get me? So this example of jQuery. So we use jQuery we actually use just line of code in jQuery to accomplish this. But if you are going to use, you can also use JavaScript to accomplish this kind of feature. Okay, but just know that for you to use JavaScript to accomplish this, you are going to write so much code just to get this done. But with jQuery, with one line of code, you are done. Okay, another jQuery feature you're going to see here is this add to cart. If I click on add to cart right now, you are going to see a pop-up. Something like this will appear. This is jQuery also. jQuery was also used to accomplish this. Okay, so there are actually so much beautiful stuff you're going to do with jQuery once you learn how to use it. Okay, so you are strongly advised to learn it once you are done learning JavaScript. Okay, all right. Note, if you would like to build both the front end and back end of a website by yourself, you will in addition need to learn back-end programming languages like PHP, Python, and etc. Now, if after learning jQuery, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, by the time you're done learning all these, you will be able to build a wonderful front end part of a website. Okay, a very attractive one. All right, but then if you want to go into back end, like you want to learn back end programming language, web development languages, if you want to learn how to build full functional websites, that is, you want to learn everything you need to learn about website building, then you also need to learn languages like PHP. Python, etc. Okay, any of these can go. All right. Our training is online. Okay, our training is online. We have hundreds of tutorials on different programming languages uploaded in our website. Once you pay and register, you will have lifetime access to the course. Like if you go to our institute and order for a course right now, okay, once you order for it, like click on add to cart, click on proceed to buy, then you type in your email. You type in your email and then you log in. Okay, you log in, then you click on complete payment. Okay, let's say click here, you order for it. Okay, so once you order for the course, you have lifetime access to the course. Okay, seem to be there's no, okay, so you see where you can now type enter your card and they order for it from here. Okay, you can also order for it by making transfer. Okay, you order for the course. Okay, you see the account details, you make payment. Once you make payment, after making payment, click on complete payment, so it will lead you to this place. Okay, so once you order for the course, then you will now have lifetime access to the course. You can always go to log in. Okay, visit the website and log in and enjoy the course. Okay, why I'll be guiding you from here. All right, our training is online, but our courses are downloadable. All our paid courses, our video tutorials they are all downloadable. You can log in anytime and download the tutorials and learn with it. Okay, it's not just like other courses where you must learn online. Now this one you can download it, and if you download it will save you data and struggle with network connection. If you are used to learning online, you find out that sometimes when you log in to learn, you might not have enough data to continue learning, or you might struggle with internet connection. Okay, if the internet is poor, you struggle, but we made it easy for you that you can download all the tutorials whenever you have stable internet connection. Okay, you download the tutorials, then you start learning with it. Okay, so that whenever you want to learn, you learn offline. You don't need an internet connection to learn anymore. Okay, so if in the course of learning you encounter any issue, you call our attention. Okay, the course, like I said, you can have access to my mentorship as soon as you make payment. You have access to my mentorship. Okay, you can reach me via WhatsApp on this number anytime you need my assistance. Okay, I normally assist my students. Okay, so once you make payment, once you pay and register for this course and other courses you might need, when you are learning, if you encounter any issue, you call my attention, then I'll be guiding you from here. Okay, the way I get my student is, if you encounter issue, you communicate me, then I might tell you to send me a screenshot of what you are going through. Okay, the screenshot of your code, or I might tell you to send me a zip file of your code. Then I will take my time to analyze the file from here, the code from here, and I will make another video, just like I'm making this video now. I'll make another video to explain exactly what happened, where you are getting it wrong. So that way, all my students are learning, and they are learning very easily, very perfectly. And I bet you're also going to learn this way. Okay, so the course is designed to be a 1-week course, but it allows you to study at your own pace. So if you are a busy person, you can still cope. Okay, so it's not a kind of a course where you must finish it in a certain date. No, this one, it is recorded already. You can always log into the website, download the course, and learn at your own pace. Okay, so if you have other things you are doing, you can combine the course with other things you are doing. But know that if you are combining the course with other engagements, you might not finish it in 1 week. Okay, because it is designed to be a 1-week course. This particular course is a 1-week course. Okay, but if you are combining it with other engagement, you might not finish it in 1 week, but you will surely finish it. You will surely complete the course. Okay, so we encourage all our students to dream big. Once we are going into programming, okay, you want to learn how to code, it is wise that you dream big, because the skill you are learning is an amazing skill that will fetch you lots and lots and lots of money and fame. Okay, if you look at the world richest, see that most of them are programmers. Okay, so this is an opportunity for you to create great stuff for yourself and for people and make money out of it. So we try our best to encourage our students to dream big. Okay, we do that by motivating them to build applications for themselves as they are learning. Okay, and we organize from time to time. We organize competition, coding and presentation competition among them. We tell them to build project. I normally donate money to them. They build. Then I will instruct them to build projects. I will tell them the kind of project to build with the coding skill they've acquired so far. So they will build the projects and upload it in my talent development website. And let me see if I can open the talent development website for you to see now. Let me see if it's going to be fast so that you have a look at it quickly. The network seems to be bad today, but that's okay. Okay, now this is our website. Let's go to talent so that you see what I'm talking about. Now this is our talent development site. Still building. We are still building it. Okay, this is our talent development site where we encourage students to build stuff. Now these are some of the video, the stuff they built and uploaded in our talent development website. If you click on this one now, you see it's they presented it after building it. Okay, now let's see. So you see it will open. Now if I should play it now, you see this is one of my students making a presentation. You see that?
I am a student of JQuery Online Computer Institute.
Awesome. So you see, this is one of the presentations made by our students. And once they upload it in this website, they will invite their friends to vote for them. You see, this person got 207 votes. It was posted 4 months ago. So this is our talent development website. You get it now? So this is how we try our best to encourage our students to build projects I mean, that way they are learning, they are building project, they are learning how to present their project, and eventually they will start making money with it. You get that now? So that's what we do. Then finally, if you love to learn how to code professionally, this is a great opportunity for you. We try our best to simplify the courses for easy understanding. Surely we do our best to simplify the courses. Okay, and our students are testifying. If you want to see some of the testimonials, some of what our students says about the course, just chat me up. Okay, you have my number already. Okay, you have that's my number here. You can chat me on WhatsApp. I will share those to you. Okay, just to tell you that I'm very serious with we're serious with what we're doing. Okay, then that's by the way. Just do your best. If this is a course for you, just know that this course is for everyone. Okay, it's for everyone. If you are between the ages of 10, no, not 15, please, 10 years and 60 years, this is for you. Okay, and even if you are below 10 years but you are a smart kid, you can join. If you're above 60 years but you are still strong, you can also join. Coding is for all. All right. Even Bill Gates, I believe he must also have time to code, even at his age. Okay, so it is mostly for this course is mostly for those who would like to simplify JavaScript task. Let's see if you've learned JavaScript and you want to learn a skill that will help you simplify JavaScript, then you have to learn JQuery. Okay, just know that ICT courses are becoming extremely popular. Okay, and you know what? If you learn it now, you won't lose out. Thank you so much. By the way, I'm Uche Joe. I'm the creator of this course. Okay, I'm the founder, Heroic Universal Concept International. Thank you so much. Just go ahead, order for this course. Let's start from there. Okay? Thank you so much.